Senior forward number 2, Kristen Lawrence. Senior forward number 3, Kristen Anderson. Ninth grade forward number 4, Max Jovic. Sophomore forward number 6, Rowan Seeley. Senior defenseman number 7, Gavin O'Lafferty. Junior forward number 8, Ashton Lawrence. Sophomore defenseman number 9, Charlie Gora. Sophomore defenseman number 10, Braden Sobransky. Junior forward number 11, Colby Olson. Senior forward number 12, Kaden Ocken. Senior forward number 15, Carter Ernst. Senior defenseman number 19, Emmett Hartman. Junior forward number 21, Nate Meyer. Sophomore forward number 22, Justin Olson. Senior forward number 24, Calvin O'Reilly. Senior defenseman number 25, Adam Moline. Junior forward number 27, Miles Crickey. Junior defenseman number 29, Charlie Hunts. And senior goalie number 30, Keaton LeGrand. The assistant coaches are Ben Storm and Brent Culleton. Head coach, Kurt Weber. Now, let's meet the Spuds. Junior defenseman number 2, Finn Paulson. Junior defenseman number 3, Drew Simonich. Senior defenseman number 4, Brandon Mickelson. Senior defenseman number 5, Brady Steffen. Sophomore forward number 6, Joey Cullen. Junior forward number 7, Zach Zimmerman. Senior forward number 10, Michael Herman. Junior forward number 11, Max Cullen. Senior forward number 12, George Arnold. Sophomore forward number 13, Gage Pelha. Senior defenseman number 15, Zach Devig. Sophomore forward number 16, Noah Peterson. Junior forward number 20, Evan Warner. Senior forward number 21, Seamus Campbell. Senior forward number 23, Titan Ferguson. Junior forward number 24, Will Bagney. Sophomore defenseman number 27, Drew Corden. Sophomore forward number 28, John Kramer. Senior goalie number 30, Nolan Cook. And sophomore goalie number 31, Will Arnold. The assistant coaches are Tony Punka and Mark Cullen. Head coach, John Ammerman. Here are tonight's game officials on the line, Joe Settlum and Matt Stevens. Your referees are Jordan Crable and Joe Colbert. At this time,